Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on matrices. Matrices are the fundamental tools in mathematics and have application in physics, engineering, computer science, and more. Today's video will cover what a matrix is, its types, and basic properties. So let's get started.
So what is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. For example, we have create a set of A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and we create another set of B equals 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. The numbers in the matrix are called elements. Next, let's move to types of operation of matrices. It will addition, subtraction, multiplication, and transpose. So let's move to the addition. Addition, you can add matrices if they have the same dimension. Add the corresponding elements. So example. Here you can see we add the set of A plus the set of B. We add them together, and here's the result. And now let's proceed to the subtraction. Subtraction works the same way. Subtract corresponding elements. For example, here we create another set of A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we create another set of B 5, 6, and 7, 8. So we subtract them, the set of A and the set of B. Addition and subtraction are simple once you match the dimension. Now for the matrix multiplication. This is a bit difficult. You can only multiply two matrices if the number of columns in the first matrix equals the number of rows in the second matrix. For example, see we have a 2 by 2 of the set of A, then the set of B we have by 1. So how do we solve? How do we find a solution for this? Because addition and subtraction are the same dimension. So we have a solution for this. So we multiply the rows of set A by columns of set B. So it's all about matching dimension. So now we have the answer of the multiplication of matrix. So let's proceed to the transpose. So the transpose of a matrix flip over its own diagonal. Rows become columns and vice versa. For example, we have a set of A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we try to transpose it. Then it becomes 1, 3, 2, 4. We like counterclockwise it, so it becomes like that. So we have another set, another set of A. Then it's a 2 by 3, so it becomes 3 by 2. So now we're done of the operation matrix. So let's proceed to the types of matrix. So number 1, we got a row matrix. A matrix with only one row. Example. So number 2, we got a column matrix. A column matrix with only one column. square matrix. A square matrix with the same number of rows and columns. Identity matrix. A square matrix with 1s on the diagonal and 0x's elsewhere. Example. And now the last we got zero matrix. A matrix where all elements are zero. Example.
And that's the basics of matrices. So we cover up what a matrix is and its types and a few operations. So matrices are everywhere. So keep practicing and you will master them in no time. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next tutorial. Peace.